Hello everyone and welcome back to my IT desktop support series. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Chat GPT, and you may know that nowadays most of the people using the Chat GPT for their jobs, especially those ones who has a business, so they're using it to improve their business. And I want to show you how to use it, and it's quite simple actually to use it. You can ask them to write a letter or email, or answer your email, or answer your review on your business, and lots more. Actually, you just need to ask ChatGPT to help you. All right. So the first things you need to do, you need to create an account for yourself and just be the member of the Chat GPT. So when you open your browser, just type in the OpenAI like that, and it will show you the Chat GPT here. Okay, sometimes it got like green icon, sometimes it's black. So I just open AI. As you can see, this is the actual site, what we call it, the official site for the Chat GPT, and it's open source. Everyone can use it, so you don't need to pay for this service. So it's open source service, so everyone can use it. So, and then you need to just press try to Chat GPT. Sorry. Okay, so now what I'm gonna show you, for example, I'm gonna just ask Chat GPT to write policy for my website. Okay, so let's do it. Okay. For my website, and if I gonna mention something to the Chat GPT, I just put it in the quotations like that. So for my website, we call it, techpro247.co.uk, and I've just pressed enter. As you can see, it will write all the information which I need for my website, and it's quite useful. So you just need to go and just copy and paste it. It's quite simple. Even now I can just I can give the company name, and then it can fill it for me as well. So just let's do it. Okay, fill it with these details. Okay, just says the company name is techpro247 Ltd, and the comma for the next one. Company address, is 64 Wellington Road, London, for example. And the phone line is, okay, leave the phone line, but the email is inquiries at techpro247.co.uk. There you go. And it will fill it with my details. It's quite useful, honestly, and then I do lots of things with the Chat GPT. Right, so for example, I'm gonna just show you something else. If I go to my Google website, I'm in the Google map, and as you can see, it says your business has a 1-year review. Okay, let's go and read the review. Okay, it says the Nihad very professional, helping to retrieve my data file. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna ask Chat GPT to reply to my customer. Okay, reply to the review. So I just copy this and I'll take it to the Chat GPT. It says reply to my customer review. Okay, and then I just paste it. Why this is too long, right? So make it very short. There you go. And then what I need to do is copy this, Ctrl C, magic key, and I go to my business like that, and I change the name. Slowly. I'm gonna just remove this one. No, come on. So it's better to do it in this way. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna just send this. Alright. And reply. Okay, I'll catch up. Right? So, as I said, it's quite useful and you can use it for your business easily. So what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just show you something else. So let's go to this one and I'm gonna find the contribute. Okay. So as you can see, in the Google I got a level 6. So I'm gonna just go and write the review for someone. Okay. Maybe this one, the Angelers. Okay, so I'm gonna just write the review for Angelers. Okay, so I just copy this one, Ctrl C, and back to the Chat GPT. It says write a review. Actually, write a 5-star. 5-star review for the Angelers in Teddington, right? Okay. There you go. Ctrl C, and I'll go here, and I'll write the review, like that. Okay. Service atmosphere. Well, they are really, really good. So this is my place. All the times I go there. So. I can fill this one for them, the roast Sunday, and right. So I can choose some of these, and this is really the Angelers is one of the best in this area, Richmond, you know. And I can just post it. All right. So I can just add the photos, everything's here, and then I just post it. Okay, and then done. Right, so that's how people using the Chat GPT actually for their purpose. So some of them using just to write a letter, and some of them using to answer the customer review. And what else we can do? We can just ask the Chat GPT. Okay, just ask them to write a letter to my friend Ella and ask her, is she doing well, and how, and what is what? That's enough. What is it doing? As you can see, we write the email as well, so it does everything for you. So just try to use it and you will find out very useful on your daily jobs or work, or I don't know, whatever you do. Try to use this Chat GPT, and it's quite useful. And what else I can ask him? I can ask him design a simple page for my, actually I have to write this, write HTML code for design a simple page for my website. Okay, let's see. You can see that. There you go. So you just ask whatever you want, and then it will do it for you. So you don't need to waste your time to learning the HTML codes for your website or stuff like that. It's really useful tools actually for at least for me, you know. So I'm gonna just ask something else. I'm gonna just ask ChatGPT about how can I connect my PC to the printer. Okay, there you go. USB connection wireless, and this is fabulous, honestly. Network. So yeah, as you can see, so you can use it. It's very good. And let me add something. What's the Windows shortcut keys? Okay, pressing that. There you go. And I think I wasted a lot of time to show you how to use these keys, and oh my god, yeah, you got all of them. Control C, Control V. There you go. Oh yeah, that's cool. And yeah, just try to use it, and you can find the good things on it, and it will really help you in your business if you got the business, or if you'd like want to write a letter to the council. Okay, I wanna write a letter to Richmond. Okay, the Richmond Council, and ask them about bin collection day. There you go. It gives you the subject as well, so that's good. So you just copy this one in the subject, dear Richmond Council. Okay. That's really good. Just try to use it, and then you will find it actually first very fun, and then the second is very good. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my video and like my channel. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching me.